OpenAI finally released Sora. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use it, tips and tricks, and basically just give you a quick breakdown of how this software works. This has been a highly anticipated drop. OpenAI dropped this on their 12 Days of Christmas special that they have going on right now. And, before we get into the video, I do want to introduce myself. My name is Sebastian. I am an AI entrepreneur that has this YouTube channel to help people like you and business owners that are interested in leveraging AI on the day-to-day by just creating these simple tutorial videos on how to use the softwares and systems, because there's so many, and even me myself, who's in the industry every single day, get lost and confused. So I'm just trying to do my part and helping you guys out. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to go on whatever search engine you guys use, search up Sora, and then obviously click into it. So the first thing you're going to be greeted by is a page that looks like this. If you guys already have the ChatGPT premium subscription, then you guys will be able to use it. But if not, you guys do have to get the $20 ChatGPT subscription to use this. So, once you guys have that, you guys will get sent to this page, or you guys will already be on this page, but you will officially be able to generate the videos. And as you can see, it's a very simple layout. It's nothing too complicated, but it's very cool. And one of my favorite features about this is that, if you don't really know what type of videos you want to make, or if your creativity is not really sparking, then as you can see here, you can just click the featured page and you have a list of hundreds of different videos that other people have created. And the cool thing is that if you go in and just click, it shows the prompt the person used to create the video. And also you can literally go in and change it up to whatever you want it to be, and ChatGPT will create the video tailored to that prompt that you create. So watch, let's do this. A translucent octopus climbing up a volcanic mountain with lava flowing everywhere. And then we're gonna click this, create video, and it's gonna get sent to this queue right here. There, you can just click here, and now you just gotta wait for a couple seconds, and then the video will generate. But as you can see, once the videos generate, then you have your little short clip. And I mean, this is insane. I literally used someone else's idea, went to the prompt, changed it up, tweaked it to be my idea, and it creates a realistic video of exactly what I want it to be. So that's just an example of how you can use other people's ideas. But if your creativity is sparking and you want to create your own, let me just create one so I can show you guys exactly how that works. Basically, you don't even have to click anything else. Just as soon as you get back to that page, you're gonna go here, just grab your video. Let's do a flying car hovering over Mount Fiji. So literally all you're gonna do, gotta move that. You're gonna click that little arrow and it's gonna get added to the queue like the other video. And you just gotta sit here and wait for a couple seconds, just like the other ones. Alright, so see, the exact same thing happened. Once you wait a couple seconds, it generates, and then you have again your video as well. So another cool thing is that here you can do, if you click Storyboard, then you have this feature where you can add, you can make the video a little longer or shorter, and you can add different scenes to that video that you created. So like here, it says, a sleek, futuristic flying car hovers effortlessly over the majestic Mount Fiji. The car's metallic surface gleams under the clear blue sky, its aerodynamic design suggesting speed and advanced technology. Below Mount Fiji's snow-capped peak stands proudly surrounded by lush green forest and serene landscape. Wisps of clouds float by, casting soft shadows on the mountain slopes. The scene is breathtaking blend of natural beauty and futuristic innovation. And then as well, it says the flying car gently rotates, offering a panoramic view of the surrounding landscape. So let's just go here, and we're gonna say the flying car is moving at a rapid speed. And we're gonna do this again. The flying click create, and it basically creates a longer video of your original video. So let me just show you guys that. So see, as soon as you click generate, it starts to do exactly what the storyboard said, and it creates like a longer video of your original prompted scene. So basically it's super simple. That's how you create a basic short video, short scene for either a YouTube video, cinematic video, whatever you guys wanted to use it for. I mean, it's very simple, as you guys saw. Here you have the saved videos that you guys have created in your library, all of your videos that you've already created as well. These are some previous ones that I've had, favorites as well. And then here you can upload images or videos that you guys want to add into your videos from, whether that be your camera roll, hard drive, whatever it may be. Alright, so that's the video. Like I said, it's super simple to use. There's a lot of use cases for this. I mean, if you guys want to create your own, YouTube videos, TikTok videos, Instagram videos, you guys can just use Sora to just create those little bits of short videos that you guys might need in the middle of your actual video. So I mean, like I said though earlier, if you guys want to use this, you do have to get the ChatGPT's $20 premium subscription, but that also comes with all the AI agents that they have, all of their advanced modes, advanced voice models, and everything that the premium $20 subscription ChatGPT has includes. So I mean, like I said in the beginning of the video, my name's Sebastian. My passion is to help you guys out, bridging that gap in between the big tech companies and us by just giving you guys, like I said, these tutorial videos of how to use these softwares, because there's so many that come out every single week. So I mean, if you guys are interested in that and want to learn and continue to learn more about AI, definitely subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting every single week, different AI tools and different AI softwares that I feel will benefit you guys. So, I mean, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got a lot of value out of this. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.